What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Dapper Vault. If you're new here, my name is Dixon and I do men's fashion and lifestyle content to help you dress your best life. So, cologne. Having someone exudes confidence and personality, and for some of you who don't know how to apply them, you're in the right place. Have you guys felt that after applying several sprays of cologne, and by the time you get to where you need to be, the scent is nowhere to be found? And the reason for this is likely because you're not applying your cologne the right way. You're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to share 7 tips on how to apply the cologne the right way to make it last longer. Starting with tip number 1, apply your cologne right after a shower. This one is somewhat of a no-brainer. Showering is going to remove any body odor and bacteria that may be present on your body. I'm not sure about you, but have you guys ever come across someone with terrible body odor who tries really hard to mask that odor with cologne? Yeah, it just doesn't work. So folks, clean your canvas. And of course, your skin actually absorbs the cologne way better when it's hot and when your pores are open. So take a warm shower and open up those pores before you apply your cologne. Tip number 2, hydrate your skin. Multiple studies have shown that moisturized skin actually holds the fragrance better compared to dry skin. So the tip here is to apply some unscented moisturizer before you apply your cologne, and trust me, you're gonna smell a scent throughout the day. Tip number 3, apply your cologne on your pulse points. Alright, so what are pulse points? Pulse points are the warmest parts of your body, so your neck, your wrists, your inner elbow, your chest, or behind the ears. And of course, there are many other pulse points for men, but these are the relevant ones for cologne application. So applying cologne onto these areas actually help with emanating heat that helps the cologne project the scent into the air around us. But don't go crazy applying your cologne on all your pulse points. Which leads to tip number 4, the correct number of sprays. There's a lot of debate out there on the correct number of sprays, and ultimately, in my opinion, it boils down to 3 factors. Number 1, the concentration of the fragrance. So if you're using an Eau de Parfum cologne, you gotta know that it contains a higher concentration of perfume oils, which requires lesser sprays compared to an Eau de Toilette cologne. Factor number 2, the occasion. Obviously, for casual daytime setting, a lighter application is more suitable. While for formal evening events, it is a-okay to apply a heavier amount, but just don't overdo it. Personally, for me, I'll go 3 sprays in the daytime and 5 sprays for a night out. And the last and third factor, personal preference. Some people prefer a subtle, close to skin scent, while others prefer to be more pronounced. So try them both and find your own personal preference. Moving on to tip number 5, spray your cologne at the right distance. Surprisingly enough, a lot of people don't know the right distance for which you should apply your cologne. But we all learn, so let me tell you the right way. So hold your cologne bottle 5 to 6 inches away from your skin and bam, that's it. Doing this is going to allow for a more even distribution that actually helps prevent any overwhelming concentration spots. Tip number 6, do not rub your fragrance. After applying your cologne, you want to avoid rubbing your wrists together aggressively. And I'm sure most of you have seen either your partner or your mate doing so why shouldn't you do it? It's not because it damages the cologne. Doing so is going to create friction, and friction creates heat, and that heat is going to evaporate the cologne a tad quicker. So if your goal is for a longer lasting scent, just spray and let time do the work. Last but not the least, we have tip number 7, proper storage. There is no debate, you can't have a long-lasting scent if your colognes are not kept properly. Unfortunately for my wallet, I had to learn it the hard way, so take it from me. So store your cologne in a cool, dark place, especially from direct sunlight and heat. So the reason for this is because the exposure of sunlight and heat can actually alter the composition of your cologne over time, and as a result, it's gonna affect the longevity and the scent of your cologne. Alright, so that's it folks, the correct way to apply your cologne that actually lasts. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give me one of these and subscribe to the channel for more men's and lifestyle tips. And I know that I've been on a hiatus for more than a year now. I just want to take the time to thank each and every one of you for sticking around. You mean more to me than you know. It's 2024 and I'm ready to create better and more consistent content for each and every one of you, so stay tuned. And as always, stay dapper.